Is it possible that the Qibla in North America could not be northeast? Well, it depends. We've already established that in, the continental United States as well as Canada, it's going to be northeast. And if I scroll down the globe a little bit, we're going to see Mecca just peeking up at the edge of the globe. If we move to more northern countries like Greenland, I think Greenland is part of North America, or even really the northern areas of Canada, you're going to start to see that it's not going to be a northeast direction. I remember the North Pole is like right here. So the way that people in very, very northern regions of North America are going to face, it's going to be more eastern. And let me kind of scroll so people can see that. Let me see if I can scroll as best as I can. The globe won't let me to do it. Oops, I lost my Mecca, but it was right here. It's going to be eastern. It's going to be more of an eastern direction relative to the North Pole. North Pole is right here, so it's going to be eastern. So as you move further north in North America, you're going to face more of an easterly direction. If you shift over to the northern regions of Europe, you're going to start facing southeast. Notice they're along the same direction. It's just where you are relative to the North Pole is right here. The way you define that direction is going to be different. Here, relative to the North Pole, it's going to be northeast. As you move further into regions like Greenland or Iceland, it's going to be more east. And then when you start looking at places like Sweden and Norway, it's going to be southeast. The direction is still the same. It's that way. Right? The way you define it locally relative to the North Pole is going to change. The cardinal directions are going to change. So it'll be northeast, and then east, and then southeast.